I want to share with you a wealth lesson that I learned from a $1 snack. So I was at the grocery store, and I saw this bag of chips for $1, and I thought to myself, wow, that's expensive. No wonder they have a 2 for $1 deal. So I got 2 bags of chips for $1. As I'm walking through the store with my chips in hand, I see a man sitting down with a bunch of kids around him. And I could see that all the kids were looking at me and my chips with envy. And then one of the kids said, "Hey, can we get some of those?" And I thought to myself, wow, this is a test. So I turned around and I gave each of the kids a bag of chips. The man looked at me and he said, "Thank you so much. You have no idea how much this means to me and these kids." He started telling me about how he was a single dad and how he was trying to make ends meet and how these kids were his world. I could see that this $1 snack had brought so much joy to this family. And it made me realize that sometimes the smallest things can bring the greatest happiness.